People, listen, right now, I don't even know what to think. My whole Christmas mash up. Right? Everything that we're planning for my new year that's gone to crap right now. See? So imagine me as a Jamaican in a Japan. Right? But can't go. Right? If I go home, it's 14 days of quarantine. And it's 2 days it takes to travel to Jamaica. See? So it's alright, mommy. Mommy usually every year sends me something to keep me. Keep me like Christmas time, the Christmas cake, some rum, some sorrel mix, sorrel beer, banana chips, seasonings and them things, right? Porridge and everything. Because, give me a taste of home, keep me grounded, and, make me feel alright, isn't me? And of course, the rum has its medicinal properties and all that, right? Cool. So, my mother messaged me this morning. No, 2 days ago, mother messaged me and said, hey, they said they can't sell any jerk seasoning bottles and whatever. So that's the jerk seasoning. They can't sell any tin ackee or anything with tins. So that's the tin ackee and the flavored tuna from Brunswick, which I love. Alright, cool, fine. That's perfectly fine. But I want to see if I can sneak in a little satchel of jerk seasoning and some porridge and whatever. So I said, alright, cool, me can do without the ackee, God forbid. And me can do that. And she sent me saltfish too. So so me can cook saltfish with onion and something there and deal with it properly, right? Cool. So as a yard man, I was disappointed, but at least me getting something. The rum is very crucial to anybody's Christmas in Jamaica. Whether it's for drinking or for the medicinal purposes or for just in general keeping out of bad spirits, right? Cool. This morning I wake up to a message from my phone. Sorry, son. I said, sorry, son. Mommy, no, it's alright. She said, new COVID rules. No rum. Them take out the buckle of rum. Right, me not spirits. That's it. Christmas is definitely crap now. Corona, you gone too far, brother. You gone too far, my lord. I swear, like gonna watch me ball, mega ball, I feel like mega ball. Right? Then me can't get no seasoning for cook, so how me gonna cook my food? Me can't. Hello, do you understand the blandness of the food here? Me need to season my food. We can't get no curry powder. We can't get no jerk seasoning. New rules for COVID-19. This is deeper than health, people. I believe the conspiracy system now. I believe the people are trying to control our lives. So, right now, that world, God, you don't want that world back, I know you don't want back this world, Jesus. Because this is not what I envisioned in 2020. Me can't even get a buckle of jerk seasoning for cook my chicken. So, you really are going to boiled chicken. Ah, boy. These are being sent by the Jamaica Postal Service. I don't know if DHL or FedEx have something, but that is a whole expensive thing now for us send. I'm not going to put my people through that. Jesus. Then, flashbacks of when I went back to Jamaica, them dig up in the cake. My mother cut the cake and wrap it up and them cut in the cake for test if drugs in there become. What? What, people? What is going on? What is going on? This corona thing, I get out of hand. Because it affect me now. It really, really affect me. First, a mask for wear every day at work. Then now them take home Jamaican food. Yeah, man, time to go home. Yeah, man. I think this is the straw that broke Piggles' back. It's clear I don't belong here. Because, we can't get the food. We can't get... How am I going to function? So I'm going to get 4 banana chips and, and a cake. That's it. Cake and banana chips in one box. Jesus have mercy. Yeah, man, Christmas, I'm really pissed off, dog. Me just think. I can't even think properly right now. This one, yeah, man, me if I quit my job and go back to Jamaica or Canada or New York, we can get food. Remember when I traveled in the summer, in Christmas last year, they broke up my patty, them, I'm looking at it, This is before Corona. Broke up my patties, think I'm drug smuggling, fam. In my patties, bro? Not in my patties. My Jamaican beef and chicken patty that's already frozen and sealed, bought at the airport. People, this is a rant. I apologize. I'm not even going to put any subtitles on this because I don't believe this. I don't believe it. Are they idiots? How does corona transmit from white rum? White rum kills all germs. It is science. White rum kills all the germs. I'm get ready for work, people. Later. This is not a very happy Vlogmas date 11. I'm not happy at all. Very distraught. Bye.